This is a lawnmower. It's a riding lawnmower, 19 horsepower. Aaron's obviously. Nice thing about this mower, you don't have to use your feet. It has actually a hydrostatic control, so I can move forward or backwards using my hand, which is really kind of nice. Really nice mower. I can move the deck real easily up and down. Has a cup holder for those hot days when I need an adult beverage. So it's a great mower, it really is. Looked around a little bit. I had a zero turn before. It was an Aaron zero turn, which, not having a big yard, I figured, it was kind of too big for what I needed, so I gave it to my father, and then I basically looked for a little bit of a smaller mower, and this one's real nice. It actually, the turning on these things is a lot different than the old days. It turns great, and like I said, moving it by hand makes it so much easier. I don't have to use my feet to control anything, so it's nice. When I started buying through Jesse years ago, the nice thing is I found out if you have any issues or anything, they're always going to help you out. As a matter of fact, when I bought my first snowblower, I couldn't even get it home, and they actually let me borrow their trailer to bring it home. So the customer service is unbelievable. It really is. I've brought them in some time for maintenance, or if there's anything wrong. A lot of times I'll just stop over, just ask questions a little bit if I want to do some maintenance on it, and they're always willing to help you out like that. So it's really great customer service. It's funny you ask. I was in Home Depot doing something. It must have been about a year ago, and there was a gentleman that was looking at lawnmowers, and I said, if you're looking at lawnmowers, I said, I'd recommend you go over to Brunswick Home & Garden. Service is great. They do a great job setting it up, and I saw him about a month ago, and he says, hey, I'm glad I took your advice. The way I look at it is, you could buy something maybe from a bigger store or a bigger department store, but when you walk out, there's really not much service behind you. That's what's nice about Brunswick Home & Garden.